All right.
We're here with Tom Green, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. What's up, guys? Hi.
We're on air.
We're on, hey, NYSE Einstein and the Vazzi. Let's go.
All right, Peter, what's going on with the markets today?
You know what? It's amazing. This market never disappoints in levels of excitement and whatnot. It's not. Volatility's back in the market. We're seeing so as we talked about a few weeks ago, that the first thing that really made this market crack was that early February thing. It was a Friday. There were the trifecta. That's what I'm calling it. When the market focuses on one economic bit of data at a time, or one entity, whether it's a commodity, a gold, an oil, a geopolitical, or whatnot, it reacts in a way, and sometimes it can just sort of fluff off that bit of information. But we're seeing that a couple of times over the last few months where the trifecta happens, where multiple headlines come into the marketplace, and it's actually making people make a decision to either get into the market strong or get out. Right, so we see this Facebook thing, I think, is a bigger deal than we're willing to admit at the moment. The market is sort of telling us that by the fact that Amazon is down 100 points, that Facebook is under investigation, that's been under pressure, trading at 152. I think it was a high in the 170s. So what we're seeing is a trifecta of information. That's a tech reversal, some stuff coming out of Washington. You know, we haven't heard from Larry Kudlow, which I'm a little disappointed in. I thought he would really be stepping up and trying to lend some certainty in a market that seems a little. Well, we're seeing cracks in the market, right? And we're seeing that, we saw two big down days last week, down 750, down 450. We saw a solid bounce back the next day, right? But what we saw yesterday was a market that was up 300 and ended up selling down 500. So it was a 737-point reversal in a market. Look, tech has been one of the big leaders in this market, forging it higher and higher over the last year. Those are big, high-flying stocks. When they start to crumble, and it's caused by some lack of trust and uncertainty, we're seeing the moves we're seeing. Those are big reversals, big moves. We're talking best of breed here, Amazon, Facebook, Google. When people start selling them, I think you're going to see that put a strain on the market. And people are sort of going, wow, so what is it that we don't know, right? This is what we found out about. But there could be some other stuff. Today, Amazon down 100 over some Trump tweets and this and that. I don't put that much onus on it. But the tech sector, which has been the surging force in this market, when that starts to break and people start taking money out of that, then you got to wonder that we're going to have a fragile, that the crust of this tectonic plate, as it were, is starting to crack a little bit.
Literally the tectonic plate.
Oh, yeah. Well, isn't it funny? I got that je ne sais quoi thing going on.
Peter, that was so eloquently said. I don't even know if I have a...
channeling somebody. I don't know who it was. Could be an Einstein move. I'm not that smart. That was a good one. I have to admit, that was a pretty good one.
That was wonderful. Peter, I think you said it right there.
It up, didn't we?